Hi, it's Angelina, GPS tracking lady here. Do you find your GPS tracking system in an automobile accident? We have an in-house installer that allows us to go to that truck, uninstall that tracking device if it was not damaged in the automobile accident. Or let me ask you this, are you buying a new truck and selling a truck? By having an in-house GPS tracking installer, we can be at your location the day you need us at your time frame to uninstall the unit and install it in the new truck. So ask yourself, is service important to you? Is having a company with an in-house installer important to you? What is it worth to spend a little more money for a GPS tracking company to provide the service that you need when you need it on your time frame? Automobile breakdown, automobile accident, automobile being sold, we're there for you when you need us. Or rlfleet.com. Check us out on the internet. Our website is rlfleet.com.